Starting a new vlog. I'm on the yard, getting ready to trip. My truck was in the shop, so I got brand new tires here and there. The front drive axle is still the old tires, but this is awesome. And I also asked to adjust my fifth wheel lock because it wasn't properly closing every time. I had to move it around sometimes, so I guess it's good. And I also had an issue with this power steering liquid reservoir. It was leaking from the bottom. You can even see the spots on the hose, so I guess it was changed, so I'm good to go. I got icona inside. There's a bunch of rope, so I'm going to vacuum my truck because I didn't do it for a while, like for a couple months, and it's dirty. I don't like a dirty truck. You see all this small crap. I have two pickups. I came to the first one. It's so messy here. Ouch. Dirt, mud. And I guess I will be after this guy. There's only one dock. 5 pallets loaded. Pretty quick. And it's like a really small potatoes. I put the 2 load bars in for now, and I will remove them before the next loading. It's gonna be 17 pallets in total. It's such a mess here. Crazy. Trailer is fully loaded, and it's red potatoes, and even smaller. Tiny potatoes. I am half an hour away from Durham. There is a Duke University in there, and one of my best friends from Kazakhstan is actually here. He came like a month ago to study at Duke University, so it's a great chance for me to meet him. I haven't seen him like for 2 years, so I'm really excited about that. It's not completely straight on my way to delivery, but it's a small hook, and it's gonna be like hour and a half away from Durham to my delivery, and I'm planning to spend the night at my delivery, and the unloading gonna be tomorrow morning, so I have enough time to spare here, and the whole extra miles for that hook is around 30 miles, something like that, so it's not a big of a deal. And I hope it's gonna be great. Crazy dirty window. I will wash it out later at the truck stop. I don't want to do it here, it's messy outside. I'm on the door, almost empty, and I spoke with the dispatch. There's nothing for now from North Carolina, so I'll go to the truck stop. There's a Love's like 30 miles away from here, so I'll go there. I got the message from dispatch saying that I should head to Wilmington, Delaware. It's Carney's Point, and it's 8 hours driving from here, and I have only 7 hours of shift remaining, and I was in the sleeper 4.5 hours, and if I put sleeper berth, it gives me 11, almost 12 hours, so I'll be okay. And I guess there's no reload from North Carolina even for tomorrow, because it's easier for them to send me back empty to regular Triangle and get the reload tomorrow from there. My first time in this port, and I have to find building D. Here it is, and I was told it's in the back. My door will be in the back. So far, I like this port. A lot of space, and everything pretty good organized. Everything labeled, so I wasn't lost. Everything was pretty easy to find, and there is a quite difficult check-in process, several stations, but nothing terrible. And they have open docks like that, and I don't have to stay inside. I can sit in my truck. That was good loading location. In total, hour and a half to get in and out. Awesome. It's 11 p.m. I'm already at Loblo at my delivery location, and I'm already on the door. I wasn't sure if they even gonna let me in to the yard, but they did, and so I put them my phone number on the paperwork, and they will let me know when to open the doors, because right now I'm on the dock but with the closed doors. I think it's not gonna be really soon, so I will go to sleep. It's 3:20 a.m. I'm empty, got the paperwork, getting out of here. There's a Walmart nearby. I'm planning to go there and spend the rest of the night there. It's 4:15 a.m. and I'm already done at Sobeys. It literally took only 30 minutes to get in, get on the door, get unloaded, and get my paperwork back. It's awesome. First Sobeys I've been to, which is works so fast. New Brunswick, loading Pitmas, but not for me, for someone else. I'm loading it and dropping it at Calcutta. After that, I'm going home, have a rest. Today is Friday, and I'm planning to be at home till Monday. second loading of Pitmos for someone else again, and after that I'm going home.